Ladies, Father's Day is coming, and if the man in your life is hard to shop for, or he says that he doesn't need anything, he has everything that he can possibly want, then girl, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 12 Father's Day gift ideas for that special man, husband, father, brother, son, whoever is in your life that may not ask for much, but the reality is they still deserve to be loved, to be appreciated, to be cared about. And we want to do this for them this Father's Day. And girl, these are not just random gifts. These are gifts that are thoughtful, that are useful, that are practical. As a matter of fact, these are gifts that I know my husband would greatly appreciate, and my son. Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel, Beauty is What I Do 2.0. My name is Darlene, and on my channel, I talk about beauty, fashion, confidence, and a little entrepreneurship. And today, we are trying our best to honor the men in our lives for Father's Day, right? So I have curated a wonderful list of things that I think that most men would really appreciate, right? And listen, men can really be hard to shop for. I mean, they say it all the time. They don't need anything, but the minute you go buy something you know they like, girl, they're so happy. They smiling from ear to ear. So we know that they really do want something. They're always thinking about the money. And so this Father's Day, we're going to think about it and we're going to let them relax and enjoy their day. So let's get into these 12 gifts. If your husband, dad, or father figure loves his car, a car detailing kit is such a practical gift. It's useful, it's affordable, it's practical, and it actually makes him think that you pay attention to what he really likes. And I know for my husband, that would be so key. He loves his car. So I got this for him several times and he thoroughly enjoyed it. Because girl, some men may not ask for much, but buy them something for their car, the whole personality change. And most men already probably have the products that they like to use on their car, but they may not always have the right tools, which is why I really liked this one. Now, I have my notes over here to the side, so that's why I'm looking. But I felt like this 45-piece car detailing kit, girl, brush set, brushes, stuff for the interior, a little vacuum, just all the things. Listen, I'm sure there'll be some things that you will want to use on your car as well, because this right here is loaded. And for the price, it is such a good deal. So this is on Amazon. I found it. And I was like, oh God, this right here is perfect. I was like, I don't want to necessarily recommend products that I've never tried, but I know tools, that's a whole different situation. And I feel like our men, our husbands and fathers would love this. On to gift idea number 2. And girl, to go right along with that whole car situation, you know they want their car to smell good. Well, we want the car to smell good. But I feel like this is the perfect gift. A car air hanging fragrance oil, a little aromatherapy, right? This one just smells divine. The bourbon is for him, the vanilla is for us, and girl, it's a perfect combination. If he doesn't like to hang it from his mirror, just maybe put it in his side door, put it underneath his mat. It doesn't matter, girl. Just get it up in there because you will love how it smells. It's subtle, it's masculine, but it's also sweet at the same time. It's just beautiful. So I feel like this, gift 1, gift 2, listen, it's a match made in heaven for them. On to gift number 3. So girl, if they car smell good, they gotta smell good too, right? I was gonna throw some fragrance up in here. And I simply just chose the 3 fragrances I love, that I personally love. And actually my husband loves them too. So this first one is, should I say classic? It's definitely royalty. It's definitely been around for years. If you know anything about Creed, you know they don't mess around and play around with their fragrance. The history behind Creed, the House of Creed. It's a beautiful story, but it's been a fragrance that's been around from the 1700s. And this particular fragrance, let me tell you what the notes are. So the top notes is peppermint, verbena, lemon, bergamot, and geranium. The middle notes is geranium, lavender, and violet. And then the base notes, sandalwood, cedarwood, and oak moss. There is nothing like green Irish tweed. This was the fragrance I got him for our wedding day. And it was beautiful. He wore his Creed. I had my Creed. What was my Creed? My Creed was something flower. I can't even think of it right now. But anyway, it's a beautiful fragrance. So this is still part of number 3. My second fragrance recommendation is Tom Ford Black Orchid. Again, nothing smells like this. Let me tell you, girl, what the notes are in this. Ooh, chap. Listen to this, y'all. Black truffle, lang-a-lang, black orchid, black plum. Girl, it's the plum in it for me. Rum, absolute, and patchouli. Girl, you're gonna wanna wear it too. That's how beautiful it is. The Black Orchid is beautiful by Tom Ford. If you haven't smelled it, girl, just go in, smell it, get a sample. It's beautiful. So that's my second recommendation. My third recommendation, now this is classic, this is iconic, is Chanel. And the fragrance that I like for him, for my man, and maybe for your man too, or your husband, or whoever, girl, is, girl, I can't even pronounce it. And I'm gonna say the pronunciation is Antaeus. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but I love it. It's beautiful, it's classic, it's clean, it smells expensive. So beautiful. And what I also love about it is that it has the aftershave, it has the deodorant, it has all of the other body products that are so nice to go along with it. And a lot of times for Mother's Day, Father's Day, these stores will have gift sets. So it would be a great time to get it in a gift set, because usually you'll get the full size bottle and then there'll be the aftershave and deodorant as the gift or something to that nature. But this right here, these 3, chef's kiss. Let's move on to gift number 4. There are some men that love their watches and they have a collection. And usually probably if they have a collection, they might even already have a jewelry box, but we can always update it for them. And I love this one. I love this one particularly because it has a compartment underneath where he can also put his rings, his bracelets, his extra watch bands, his favorite pen. I just love how it's all condensed and it's so manly, and he can see right through it and choose which watch he wants to wear based on his outfit. I feel like it is something that every man really needs to have in his wardrobe. Our men don't wear a lot of jewelry, but baby, they get down on the watches. So this is what I recommend. My husband loves this so much, and I think this is a very beautiful one. The espresso case is really pretty, and it's not too big. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just perfect. Moving on to gift number 5. Baby, our men work hard for the money. Our dads, our sons, they are providers and they are working hard and they need to keep their feet right. We don't want their feet working. So I think it is something that sometimes they just don't think about. They will wear them shoes down till there's a hole, till the rubber is separating from the shoe, till the toe of it is turned up. They will run the shoe down. So let's get our men some new work shoes. So I got my husband some. Here's a video here of the ones I got. And girl, he was so excited. It was like birthday, Christmas, and Father's Day all in one. And I was like, didn't you know you need a new shoe? Do you know you need new work shoes? But anyway, we love these shoes, and the testimony is in the fact that he wears them every day. They're very comfortable. They are true to size. So when you order them, make sure you have the right size, of course, and they're very durable. We're very pleased. I'm pleased with it. He's pleased with it. But they need some new work shoes, no matter what type of work they're doing. So let's look out for their feet and keep them pain-free, strong, all the things, right? Moving on to the next Father's Day gift. I know y'all was wondering why Darlene getting on here with a baseball hat, baby, because that's what you're going to get your man. You're going to get him some baseball hats because not only do some of our men like baseball hats, but it's such a like they may not look at it as fashion, but we know that it's fashion. And even if, girl, he don't wear it too much, he only wear it like when y'all traveling or whatever, you wear it. Girl, I love baseball hats, and I had bought a few and went into my husband's drawer, and I was like, oh, girl, he had about 5 or 6. I mean, and had him in every color that I did not have. I was like, oh my God. So girl, even if your daddy, even if your father, even if your husband don't wear it, you can wear it sometime, right? And match up your little outfit. So that's why I got it on, because it's so cute. It's cute for them and it's cute for us. Okay, on to gift number 7. If your husband, if your father, if your dad, or whoever is anything like mine, girl, he loves his coffee mug. And it's mostly when he is getting in the car. He doesn't drink coffee at home, but when we're on our way to church, a road trip, whatever, girl, he likes his coffee mug. So girl, let's get him a coffee mug. Let's get him one that keeps beverages hot, and then one that keeps beverages cold. And I thought this was a really nice beverage holder or cup. It got really great reviews. Girl, yes, love this idea because they love their coffee just like we do. On to gift number 8. Listen, we are all up in age, right? We're trying to keep track and remember where everything is. And when it even comes to travel, it's more important. So I love this as a gift. These Apple AirTags to put into your luggage or to use when you need to just find anything, girl, that is important, your keys, your phone, all the things, right? This is such a practical tech gift. And if you guys into tech, he would love this. This is great for the keys, for your bag, for your luggage, for your wallet, even for the car. It's just a great gadget to have. And honestly, because it's so practical, it gives everybody peace of mind. Girl, we got to try to hold on to all of our stuff. On to the next practical gift. So sometimes they need a few accessories too, girl. And as I feel with us, sunglasses elevates anybody's look, right? And these sunglasses by 12 p.m. are so beautiful. I love these. They're great. They're actually unisex. They could be for women, for men, but I think they're so stylish. I think they fit any face shape. The quality of them are 10 out of 10, and the price is right. It's not overly priced, but you get so much for what you're actually paying for, in my humble opinion. I actually love them. All of their glasses I really love, but these especially I feel like can look good on a man who is maybe into his looks, into his clothes, into his fit. This would be the finishing touch that he would need and that would look amazing on him. On to the next gift. Number 10. Okay, so now this is a practical gift that feels like pampering. He's already going to get his hair cut, so why not get him a gift card of haircuts? Connect with his barber and figure out, hey, let me go ahead and prepay for his next 20 haircuts. Girl, now you know that's a good old practical gift. Because when my husband asked me, what you want? I said, my hair colored. I want my hair colored. $300, $400. That's what I want. Yes, and they feel the same way because they have to get their hair cut all the time. And can you imagine his haircut already being prepaid? They would love you. They would so appreciate that. So a Barber gift card is practical and super easy to do. Let's move on to gift number 11. So this gift is when you want to give him an experience and not necessarily a thing. It's thoughtful, it's romantic, it's intentional. And what is it? Girl, it's a weekend staycation. You could do this two ways. It can be something at home where you just pick a part of the house where it just feels like a hotel room, or you can actually go and get a hotel room and just make it all about him. Get his favorite snacks, his favorite pajamas. Oh God, it's a whole nother conversation, a whole nother video. His favorite drink, his favorite cocktail, just all the things that he loves. Y'all can watch his favorite movie. It's all about him. And listen, we understand that as women because we feel like we need y'all to plan an experience for us, right? So let's do it for them. Let's plan the experience, and you probably do it all the time anyway. But it's Father's Day, so we're gonna just double down and make it super duper special for them. So you plan a staycation. Maybe even get a chef, someone, if you do it at home, get somebody to come in and maybe cook, or, oh girl, just the possibilities are endless. All right, let's move on to the last Father's Day gift idea. So this last gift is a beautiful faith-based gift. If your husband, your father, your son is a man of faith, I highly recommend getting them a Bible that is customized with their name on it, or if they already have their own Bible, get them a Bible cover to carry their Bible in to, and then have it customized as well. My husband loves his. Though when we get to church, he's still pulling out his phone because the Bible's on it. We have the Bible app. But he still takes that Bible to church, or whenever we have a Bible study, he loves carrying it. He loves it. It has his name, love. And I just feel like this is such a personable gift. It is a gift that he'll have forever. It is a gift that can be passed down, right? That is something that people really want, to remember people by, the Bible, what they used to read. And then the fact that all the pages are highlighted and then it has their name. Oh, for me, it's such a beautiful gift. And more importantly, the Bible cover protects what he treasures the most, which is the Word of God. So those are my 12 Father's Day gift ideas for your husbands, for your sons, for your dads, for your father figures. It is for the man in your life that it is just hard to buy a gift for. And remember, sometimes the best gift is not always the most expensive one. It is the gift that says, I see you, I study you, I know you, and I love you, and I appreciate you. And because of all of that, I wanted to do something thoughtful for you. If this video helped you, girl, give you some great ideas of what you can get for the man in your life, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would so appreciate it. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and hype it up and share it. And girl, and if this is your first time, hey girl, if you made it to the end of the video, I would so appreciate if you would subscribe. Also, if you have any great gift ideas, practical ideas, please feel free to put it in the chat. Let me know what you even thought about all that I suggested, and give us your ideas as well. So I love you guys. Thank you to my day ones. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I have like about 8,000 new subscribers in the last 30 days. Thank you very much. I so appreciate you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.